Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. In this week's episode, we're going to show you how to make a delicious venison stroganoff. To start things out, we're going to slice our venison into smaller bite-sized pieces. Next, in a bowl, combine pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Then whisk everything together well. In a bowl, mix together your spices and meat. Next, using a tablespoon of flour, lightly coat the meat. Now that you have your meat prepared, you can get to chopping up your onions. Next, in a large pan on a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the butter is melted and the oil is heated, you can now add your meat. Cook all of your meat so it lightly browns on both sides. With the meat browned, remove from pan and then add in your onions and mushrooms. Continue to cook your mushrooms and onions until they're sauteed and tender. Once sauteed, add your meat back into the pan. Next, add in the beef broth and then your can of cream of mushroom soup. Then stir everything together well. Finally, cover with lid and let cook for 30 minutes. Lastly, add in your sour cream and stir in well. Now your stroganoff is ready to serve. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe up in the top left, or check out more wild game cooking on the right. Until then, have a good one.